Are you trying to open a website on your Android phone, but it keeps showing this site can't be reached? Even though your internet is on, the page just won't load. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to fix this issue on Android. Before we start, keep in mind that depending on your Android version and mobile phone brand, some option may look a little different or be in a different place. But the steps are mostly the same, and you can easily find them and follow along. First, check if your internet is working properly and the data plan is active or Wi-Fi is connected. Now try opening another website or app like YouTube. If nothing loads, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. You can also check if the website itself is down. Open another browser or go to downdetector.com. Search for the website you are trying to open. If many users reported issues, the website may be down for everyone and you just need to wait. Next, restart your browser. Close the browser completely and open it again. Reload the website and see if it works. If you are using Google Chrome, clear its cache and cookies. Open Chrome, tap the three dots at the top right and go to Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Now tap Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Choose All Time and tap Clear Data. Close Chrome and open it again. Now, if you are still facing the issue, check the DNS settings inside Chrome. Open Chrome settings again, tap Privacy and Security, scroll down and tap Use Secure DNS. Turn on Use Secure DNS and tap Choose Another Provider and then select Open DNS. Now close Chrome completely, reopen it and try opening the website again. Now let's check the phone's DNS settings. Open Settings on your phone. You can go to Network and Internet or simply use the search bar in Settings and search for Private DNS. Open Private DNS. If it is set to Automatic or Custom, change it to Off. Save the setting and try opening the website again. Another easy fix is to switch the network. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you are on mobile data, try connecting to Wi-Fi. If you are using any VPN app, turn it off temporarily. VPNs can block some websites and can cause this error. As a final step, restart your Android phone. This clears background network issues and often fixes the problem. And that is it. One of these solutions should fix the "this site can't be reached" error on your Android phone. Let me know in the comments which step worked for you, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and share it with anyone facing the same issue.